Who wrote the poem The Good Morrow? John Donne wrote the poem The Good Morrow. Who wrote Volpone? Ben Jonson wrote Volpone. What did Othello give Desdemona? Othello gave Desdemona a handkerchief. Translate, সে অনেক কথা. It is a long story. I know him better than you. Make it positive. You do not know him as well as I. Had I the wings of a bird, make it assertive. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Move and die. Make it simple. By moving, you will die. Never tell a lie. Make it passive. Let a lie never be told. What would be the right synonym for initiative? Right synonym, enterprise. What is parts of speech? The different kinds of words are called parts of speech. How many kinds of parts of speech? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. What are they? They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. What is the noun of the word confess? Confession. What is the verb form of popularity? Popularize. What is the noun of the word successful? Success. What part of speech is the word fatherly? Adjective. Super shortcut. Noun plus ly equal adjective fatherly, motherly, manly. Adjective plus ly equal adverb recently, normally, generally. Tell me the vowels name. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. What is gerund? A gerund is a verb form that functions as a noun in a sentence. What is participle? A participle is a word that looks like a verb but works like an adjective to describe a noun. What is phrase? A phrase is a group of words without a subject and a finite verb. What is an essay? An essay is a short piece of writing on a particular subject. What is articles? Articles are words used before nouns to specify whether the noun is general or specific. There are 3 articles in English: a, and the. What is idiom? An idiom is a group of words that means something different from what the words really say. What is language? Language is a way people use words to talk and share ideas. What is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that help us use words correctly in sentences. What is the difference between gerund and participle? A gerund is a verb that acts like a noun. Example, running is fun. A participle is a verb that acts like an adjective. Example, the running water is cold. Tell something about Dr. Mohammad Yunus. Dr. Mohammad Yunus is a Bangladeshi economist and founder of Grameen Bank. He was born in 1940 in Chittagong. He created the idea of microcredit, giving small loans to poor people to help them start business. His work has helped millions of people, especially women, rise out of poverty. In 2006, he won the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to improve lives through economic development. What is the difference between novel and novel? A novel is a long story written in books, usually fiction. Example, I love reading a good novel. Other hand, noble means being good, honorable, or having high moral qualities. Example, the king was a noble leader. So, a novel is a type of book and novel describes a person character. What is the elaboration of IELTS and NTRCA? The elaboration of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. Other hand, NTRCA is Non-Government Teachers Registration and Certification Authority. How many skills in English? There are 4 skills in English. They are listening, reading, writing, speaking. Some important words meaning: mass upsurge, গণ অভ্যুত্থান, অ্যান্টি ডিসক্রিমিনেশন স্টুডেন্ট মুভমেন্ট, বৈষম্য বিরোধী ছাত্র আন্দোলন, মেস ওয়াকিং, গণযাত্রা, নন কোঅপারেশন মুভমেন্ট, অসহযোগ আন্দোলন, ফ্যাসিজম, ফ্যাসিবাদ, রিপাবলিক অফ বাংলাদেশ, গণপ্রজাতন্ত্রী বাংলাদেশ, কোঅর্ডিনেটর, সমন্বয়ক, রিফরমেশন, সংস্কার, চিফ অ্যাডভাইজার, প্রধান উপদেষ্টা, অ্যাডভাইজারি কাউন্সিল, উপদেষ্টা মণ্ডলী। সাম রিনার্ভ স্পেলিং: ব্যুরোক্রেসি, ডায়রিয়া, ডাইনোসর, কমিটি, জুয়েলারি, ভায়োলেন্স। হিউমারাস, সিগারেট, নিউমোনিয়া, অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট, ডিসিপ্লিন, পসেশন, সাইকোলজি, রিপিটেশন, সুনামি। MPO elaboration, monthly pay order. What is phonetic? Phonetic refers to the study of sound in human speech. What is syntax? Syntax is the set of rules that governs how words are arranged to form sentences in a language. What is LAT? LAT stands for Language Acquisition Device. What is NCTB? NCTB stands for National Curriculum and Textbook Board. Tell me a sentence where all letters have presented. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.